Hello viewers, welcome to our Power BI series. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how simply you can bring data inside your Power BI applications. So first of all, if you have to start Power BI, and for demonstration purpose, I am going to show you one simple Excel file. You know that Power BI does not have any storage mechanism of storing the data internally. So always it is dependent on some external factors. Like we can import the data from Excel, we can import the data from some other sources like a CSV file or a dedicated database server. So here, for the sake of understanding, I am going to show you how simply you can bring Excel data into Power BI. So let us move to the Power BI screen. Here you can find already I have started Power BI application. So this is the first screen when you open any new application inside Power BI. This is the first screen. And definitely it appears several menus on top: file, home, insert, modeling, view, blah, blah, blah. So home is currently the selected menu. And because I have not saved as yet, so it is coming untitled Power BI desktop. So there, as I told you that there are many sources. You can see SQL and Excel workbook, and for Power BI dataset, special icons are there because you have to understand that these all are Microsoft products. So in case your data is not in Excel nor in SQL Server, definitely there is another icon called Get Data, where you can find some more other sources. You can say SQL Server, you can import a data from a flat file, I mean text or CSV file. You can bring your data from some web portal. Even you can, if you click on this more option, then you will find that not only SQL Server, SQL, or Excel is being shown. In fact, you can import the data from some other variety of sources. So this is basically coming like a MS Office toolbar, and luckily the interface is very common. That's why we feel ease in using this particular interface. And meanwhile, also I am showing you our first Excel file. Before that, definitely you remember that when I have clicked, so I was choosing for more options. So inside more options also you will get Excel, then JSON data, XML data, SharePoint folder. So variety of sources are coming. So as we know that our data is in Excel book, so simply I am choosing the Excel book. And I have to click on connect. So definitely it will ask from where the Excel data you are going to import. So for your sake of understanding, I have already opened one Excel file. This is the sheet you can see, and this containing very simple data: serial number, some participants' name, their pretest score, their pretest date. So Excel sheet is containing some textual data. Sometimes it is numeric data, sometimes it is pretest date, it's a date value. And here it's again alphanumeric value, I can say text value, etc., etc. So our task will be to use this particular data inside Power BI. So you have to know the location. You can see that the file name is coming with metlife.xlsx. So definitely what I can say, I am going back to the Power BI. So from this file, I have stored this file in a specific folder, so I can give the name MetLife, and I am clicking on this open button. Now it will try to scan the file, the source file, because you have noticed that the Excel file was containing multiple sheets. So the sheet name by default will be acted as a data sets. So you can see, since the file contains precisely four different worksheets, so I'm getting sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. Now you can choose any particular data or any particular sheet where actually the data is present. So if I click on this checkbox sheet 1, then definitely as a preview, it will try to show all the data. And if you are satisfied with the data, that yes, this is the data which you require inside your Power BI application, so you have to simply click on this particular button, load button, which is coming with yellow color. So I'm also clicking, and definitely it may take some time, and definitely you will find that right now here you are getting visualization pane and fields pane, which was earlier shrinked. Now it is going to be expanded, and definitely the column names, you can see here in this particular file, this column name, SN, participant name, pretest date, etc., will be treated as a separate columns inside my Power BI application. So it is still loading, and gradually the things are coming inside Power BI application. So let's wait for some time. Here you have to keep your eyes, and you can see that sheet 1 is coming. And this is called as a data set. So data set inside Power BI indicates the unit which is containing your actual data. So if you can expand, definitely you can see that column names are coming. Point to be noted is that these column names are not coming in the order of the Excel that you have. In Excel, serial number was the first column. Here you try to organize the column names in the ascending order of their names. And definitely you will get some different symbol. For example, post-test date. Now, post-test date as well as pre-test date, this is our date type values. And that is why you are getting some different symbol. Similarly, serial number and pre-test, these are our numbers, or all the values are numeric. And that is why you are getting a sigma symbol indicating that this is going to be your numbers. Now, you can ask me where I can find this data. Remember that Power BI works on 3 different views. This is called as the report view. This is called as our data view. And this is going to be our model view. About this model view, we will coming up with different video. You can keep on watching our video series. Definitely we will come up with models elaborately, but definitely if you want to see the data, you have to click on the data, because data view actually shows the data. And even then, if you do not find, you can see here the column names are coming. So if you click on the sheet 1 once again, entire data will be displayed. So now here column names are being organized exactly like the Excel data source. So this is how very simply you can bring data from external sources into Power BI. Hope you have liked this video, and we genuinely like to have key watch in our video series so that you can keep yourself updated about the new technologies inside Power BI. Thank you.